Hello friends, welcome to Jainan Software. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see some automatic penalty concept. So just have a look. So from the master setup, I will go to the settings. So here I have added one setting, that is add penalty automatically at the rate of. So I have kept 4%. Now let's search one customer from the search bar, F-34. So here just create one loan. So for example, let's say amount 5,000, 2% rate of interest. Let's take for 5 months. So I will just calculate, and here I have added some fees and charges. So I have added some fees and charges, and here I will change the date for, let's say, 1st of January, and the installment start date I will take same 1st of January. So save this loan. So loan number 202 is saved. Now I will just search this loan number 202. So here you can see 266.53, that penalty get calculated by the system according to the 4%. So if I go and check the configuration column, so here you can see 4% is automatically calculated. So we can change this percentage from here as well. So for example, let's say this amount 3566. So I will just enter 3600 and just click to receive. So now I will just go to the installment tracker. So here you can see, so this much amount I have received and still there is some due. So 266.53 the penalty part. And if I go to the fees and penalty section, here also you can see this much I have received. So if I want to change from the configuration column, I want to make it 5%. From here we can make it 5. So I will just click to update. And if I go to the transaction, so I can delete this transaction from here. Just click to the delete. And now just refresh this account 202. 202. So here you can see the 167 is penalty get calculated. So if I go to the fees and penalty column, first I will just delete this penalty. And now just refresh this account 202. So I will just refresh this account 202. So here you can see penalty is calculated according to the 5%. So it is 335 on the outstanding amount. If I go to the check the installment tracker, here you can see there is no penalty and no any received amount. So I will just receive now. So for example, let's say 3600 and just click to receive. Now just refresh the installment tracker. So here you can see, so 335 is the penalty amount and the due is 1135. So according to our our requirement, we can change the penalty and the